A lot of people do not know this. You can find great deals on off-market properties. I'll be taking you step by step on how I buy off-market property. Step 1, download LandGlide. This is a great app that realtors will use in finding property. Also, as an investor, I use it. This app I use daily. It helps me finding the owner of the property and where they live. This is a crucial step in finding these good deals on these properties. LandGlide will help you determine the lot size within a few feet. This will help you decide what size house you'll put on the lot. LandGlide will also tell you the property owner's name and the property owner's mailing address. You will need to know this information in step 3. Step 2, in finding off-market properties. You'll go to Google, type in GIS and your county. Once that map pulls up, you will look for the parcel number that is associated with that lot. You'll want to find the tax ID card. That tax ID card is very important. It will tell you the value of the property, what the owner paid for it, and the zoning. Knowing all this information will help you negotiate to the lot owner when you're trying to purchase the property. Step 3, you go to Neighborhood website. You'll enter in the property owner's name and the property owner's address. Once you have done that, it will give you a list of names that are associated with the property. You'll want to click on a person's name and you'll see phone numbers you can call. You want to call every phone number until you find the owner of the property. Once they have picked up, you'll ask them, are they interested in selling their property? One tip, do not tell them you're a builder or an investor. They do not like it. They either hang up or they get mad at me. So what I do is tell them my mother-in-law is moving into town and she's looking at a property. And I also live in the community. That will give them some type of connection with me to open up and be willing to sell. If they're willing to sell and agreed on a price, that is a verbal offer. Step 4 is you will have to get them a written offer, which we use a real property contract. Tips in doing a real property contract: do not put any big legal descriptions. In my past experiences, this has scared the property sellers away. Keep it simple. Use a Word document. Identify the buyer, identify the seller. Put the address, the parcel number, the closing date, settlement date, also the closing attorney. You will have the buyer sign as well as the seller sign. You'll then take the contract and you'll give it to your closing attorney. Another tip, do not get emotionally attached to the property. Ask yourself, is this for me or is it for an investment? Those are my tips and tricks when buying property off market. If you enjoyed this video, like it. Also, subscribe to the channel.